If you've clicked this video, this tells me something about you. It tells me you've been through something heartbreaking or know someone who has. Something that changed you. Something that made you look at pregnancy and your own body completely differently. And if you're now thinking about trying again, or maybe you're already pregnant again, I want to share with you the 3 things I desperately wish someone had told me before I conceived after miscarriage. Because no one prepared me, no one warned me, no one guided me, and I refuse to let you walk this next chapter feeling as alone as I did. Pregnancy after loss is not the same as pregnancy before loss. Your body remembers, your heart remembers, your whole nervous system remembers. It's a traumatic experience. And even when you're experiencing a completely healthy pregnancy, your brain will still whisper, what if it happens again? Is this cramp normal? Should I let myself get excited? Am I strong enough to go through this again? So today, I want to walk you through the 3 things I wish I knew before getting pregnant again. Not to scare you, but to prepare you, to comfort you, and to give you hope, and maybe even quiet some of those thoughts when they arise. Number 1 is that the anxiety is real, but it doesn't mean there's something wrong. This is the first thing I wish someone had told me, because when I got pregnant again after my miscarriage, no one told me that even a healthy pregnancy could feel terrifying. No one said you might hold your breath every time you go to the bathroom. You're going to think to yourself, if you experience implantation bleeding, is it happening again? You might check for symptoms constantly. You might feel panic before every appointment. You might get scared if you feel too much or too little. You are going to want to have ultrasounds seemingly every single day. No one told me that your mind keeps reliving the loss, even when your body is doing everything right. And here's the truth that I learned the hard way. Your fear does not mean your pregnancy is in danger, and your anxiety does not mean something is wrong. Your worry is not a prediction, it's just a trauma response. So treat it as that, just a response. Pregnancy after loss is not just physical, it is deeply emotional and psychological as well as spiritual. Your heart is trying to protect you, and your mind is trying to keep you safe. Your body is doing what it was designed to do, and all of that can be happening at the same exact time. I wish I knew that my fear was normal. I wish I knew it didn't mean I was broken. I wish I knew that anxiety doesn't cancel a perfectly healthy pregnancy. The second thing I wish I knew is that you will feel alone, and it's not your fault. After miscarriage, the world gets quiet. You stop going to the doctor because you're not pregnant anymore. Family and friends expect you to move on because they have. Your job expects you to function as if nothing happened. People don't check on you, and the medical system gives you almost no support at all. So when you do get pregnant again, you walk into it already feeling isolated, unsupported, misunderstood, and afraid to voice your fears. You feel unsure of who you can actually talk to. And this loneliness is one of the cruelest parts of pregnancy after loss. You look normal on the outside, but inside, you're grieving, hoping, worrying, dreaming, panicking, all at the same time. And you feel like you have no space to say any of it. Here's what I want you to hear today. You're not alone because you're weak. You're alone because our culture doesn't support grieving mothers. But I'm here to walk you through that and help you through that. You're not dramatic. You're not overreacting. You're not too emotional. You are human, girl. You're human. You're healing. You're doing the best you can with what you've been through. And this channel is exactly why I created Finally in My Arms. So you have a place where your grief is understood, your healing journey is supported, and your journey, period, is respected. The third thing is that the emotional whiplash is normal. So be ready. The third thing I wish someone had prepared me for is the emotional roller coaster that comes with trying again. Pregnancy after loss is not just joyful or exciting. It's this complicated mix of hope and fear and grief and excitement and guilt and detachment and deep love and deep worry, and it's all the things meshed into one pile of I don't know. But some days you feel confident, and other days you feel terrified. And some days you let yourself dream and you let yourself see yourself holding your baby. And some days you try not to feel anything at all. And you might wonder, is it too soon? Should I feel more already? Or why am I not letting myself connect yet? Let me free you right now. You don't have to be fully healed to try again. You don't have to be fearless to be ready. Hope and fear can coexist, and that's normal. Trying again after loss requires courage, not perfection. And if no one else has told you this yet, your heart is allowed to hold both hope and fear, both joy and grief, both excitement and hesitation. That doesn't make you unready, it makes you human. If you're trying to conceive again after loss and you want a guide that helps you prepare your mind, body, and spirit for a healthy pregnancy, I wrote the guide, Finally in My Arms, exactly for you. It's everything I wish someone had told me years ago. A gentle roadmap through emotional healing, physical preparation, hormone balance, fertility tips, and spiritual grounding. If you want support as you take your next few steps, I'll leave that link in the description. No pressure, just an invitation from someone who's been where you are and is willing to help walk you through it. So now that you know the 3 things I wish I knew before getting pregnant again, I hope you feel less alone, less afraid, more grounded, and more hopeful. And you deserve that, because your story is not over, because your body is not broken, because motherhood is still possible for you. And as always, chin up, mama, straighten your crown, and let's walk in power together. You are more powerful and capable than you know. I'll see you in the next video.